Verbs vocabulary. About 100 common verbs name in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Drag, kiss, lick, propose, scold, tire, announce, argue, bend, chew, collect, cuff, beat, chase, grab, blow, draw, dive, deposit, discover, discuss, defend, boil, extinguish, choose, finish, fix, flip, imagine, eat, in fact, iron, leave, meet, mop, mow, nurse, hospitalize, record, pull, push, shell, grow, hunt, repair, open, meditate, recover, shoot, slap, squat, slip, start, sweep, saw, spit, sting, tear, whistle, withdraw, attach, copy, create, charge, backup, delete, buy, cancel, descent, deep, destroy, donate, attack, cross, dream, drown, erase, exit, fall, freeze, harvest, glow, hang, gather, fill, touch, snore, melt, punch, shake, shell, sink, vacuum, swipe, transfer, wipe, nod, rescue, stream, send, restore, wash,